What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful PROTON e.MAS 7 right in front of us here in slate grey. Now before we take a look at the closer up details, let's take a walk around to show you how this shape of the car actually looks like. Now it's a huge looking car, but it's a very sleek like design. Check out the rear, it's beautiful looking. And let's move to the side, check out the shape of it, the front hood, and now we are right at the front once again. Now let's start off with the side lights right here. These are your daytime running lights that you notice. Check it out, super sharp. I love how it angles down like this, amazing. You got your main headlights located right there, and also your your front diffuser looks very sporty as well. I believe this should be your turn indicators located right here. Now the slate grey color looks very nice, very sleek. Your logo, super awesome, built in like this. You got your air vents to cool down the battery located down here. Your amazing number plate for you to put sensors located on the left and right. Sort of like aggressive looking front bumper, but very clean like design. Nice, very curvy, very futuristic. Take a look at the front hood. The slate grey color has this sort of like, if you notice, there's like a shape happening right here. But it's not angular in a way, but the way, if you're here right now, you're able to tell it's a nice shaped up front. Check out how the light on top of the hood changes, right? Fantastic. Now let's move to the wheels. They're using Goodyear tires. This SUV is basically the premium version, so you get different tires, different wheel design. You got your solid disc brake calipers right there. You also have your tire size 235, 50, R19. So these are 19-inch wheels, amazing like design for the front wheels. Okay, now check out the side right here, right? It has this matte finish that we have. Also along the door side down here, this matte finish available here. Metallic paint, you got your side mirrors in this slate grey color, black, gloss black at the bottom right here, turn indicators located right there, 360 here, fantastic man. Door handles will always be like this if the door is unlocked. Now let's take a look at the inner part of the door. Door handles right there, you got your window adjustments right here, place where you hold to close the door, speakers, and you got your compartment storage down here. So you got this chrome finish right there, fantastic. Let's close the doors to show you guys the chrome lining which is alongside the door all over, right? You also get this matte finish top right here, fantastic. Now let's jump on in to show you guys how the interior looks like. So I'm sitting comfortably right here and without actually adjusting anything just yet, but check out the dashboard, man, dude. Stitches right here, you got this air vents right there. I believe your ambient lighting is down here. Hopefully the camera can spot it, but there's some lighting happening right now. And you got your glove compartment right here, fantastic. So this is me comfortably sitting right here, nice. Over here, cool. Seat belts black, and amazing space, guys, amazing space that we have. So screen is super huge, angling towards the center, yeah, straight up, so very nice design. Yeah, cool. So your aircon, maybe we can turn it on or we can turn it off, and check out the center. We'll talk about the driver's seat in a while more, but before that, let's hop to the back to find out what's hiding here now. So we open up the rear and you notice that, again, amazing door finish. Handles right there, you got your openings right here for the windows, you got your speakers right here, compartment storage right here, fantastic design on the inside, super spacious. I didn't even adjust the front seats, but check out the amount of space that is available right here. Seat belts, fantastic. Folding down the seats, we will do that later, but two separation design right for the seats, check it out. Amazing, amazing. Isofix is also available. Compartment storage for the rear seats over there. This is me sitting. Check out the amount of space, super huge. So amazing. So up here, glass roof, fantastic, fantastic, man. So much of space happening. So light adjust, for your lights for the rear, and also you got your air vents right here, type C together with your USB-C storage down there. Fantastic legroom, can move all over the place at the back here, and this is the front view that they have. So right now I'm sitting in the center seat. Like it a lot. Let's fold this down to check out what's hiding here. So 2 cup holders and comfortable armrest also as well. Fantastic padding. Now let's open up this side right here. Now let's check out the rear wheels. 235/50 R19. So these are two-tone wheels that we have. 19-inch, amazing finish texture, Goodyear tires. Fantastic design. Love it. Now let's jump to the rear. Open up the rear boot to show you guys, but check out the lights, the brake lights. How amazingly shaped it is. You got your Proton badging in chrome. Light goes across, continuous all the way to the other side. Now let's open up. Got your E.MAS 7 badging right there. Let's open this up. Automatic opening of the boot, and you got a shade to cover in case you need to cover to not reveal anything coming up from the front glass. Let's close that. We'll fold down the seats in a while more, but yes, check out the amount of space, storage down there, warning triangle right there. Got your tire repair kit over here. I believe this should be a subwoofer. And let's fold down the rear seats to show you guys how much space you'll actually be getting. So let's fold this down. Check that out, amazing space. So let's move to this side right here to show you how much space you guys have. A lot. There's a lot of space here. You can even remove this railing if you wish to from this side right here. You can take it out and then you can store it somewhere, I believe down here, so that you guys can load in more boxes that are much more heavier. Now let's close this to show you guys once again. Amazing rear diffuser in a matte finish light. You got the two-tone happening right there. Fantastic. Now let's move to this side. Let's open up the driver door. Seat adjustments down here, back and forward. So let's go all the way in. Let's take a look at the driver's side of things. So you got your door handles right here. You got your window adjustments here. You got your child lock together with your lock button for the rear. Side mirror adjustments located right here. Now, the steering wheel looks absolutely beautiful. I love how this shaped steering wheel looks stunning, man. Very unique, unlike the others. Yeah, fantastic. The badging, you're able to feel it. Some settings right here, voice commands right there. You also get other adjustments right here. Very clean and straightforward design. So gear shift is right here. Your parking is also right here. Push inside, as you can see. You got your wiper adjustments right here together with your high beam. And yeah, that's how amazing your screen looks in the center. You have your other adjustments like your front fog for the glass. You got your internal air circulation. You also have your auto for the temperature adjustments and whatnot, for your aircon to be on and off the fan. And this wheel, I believe, is a scroll for your volume, as you can see. So other storage right here. You got your 2 cup holders. You got, I think this should be for your card, I think, to slot in. NFC charging. Another one over here to keep some stuff. But yeah, we got storage compartment down here. Cool, amazing storage space. Super comfortable to be in. And let's head down to the car. I believe this should be your roof blind and sunroof closed and sunroof open. Check that out. So it's turning. Wow, the whole glass roof comes off, man, dude. Amazing space, guys. Amazing space. So sunroof blind, I can even wind it more to the back. Cool, very cool like design. So I can even choose to close, fully close. So if I tap that, the glass automatically closes up fully. So the amount of space that the rear passenger gets is quite a lot. So fantastic, amazing design, guys. So yeah, so let's go down to the other things that they have right here. Amazing setup for a lot of stuff, man. Wow, we will go through more and more in the future, but in the meantime, yeah, let's check out the physical appearance of this car. Speakers right there, head-up display over here. Frameless mirrors over here. You got your hazard lights over there. We will turn that on in a while more, but yes. Yep, cool texture. Same finish right here. And Let's show you how the turn indicators look like. So turn indicators are located right where your side mirrors are, as you can see. Then we also have them replacing the main daytime running lights earlier. So from the front, it looks very, very spotty indeed, guys. So check that out. So let's move to the rear to show you guys what we are actually looking at. So the inner part right here, the small one, is where your turn indicator is. Amazing LED lights again, go across the whole thing. So again, the color of this car is called Slate Grey. Beautiful texture finish. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Proton e.MAS cars, do head down to Glenmarie and to get in touch with any of the salespeople here to find out more about this beautiful piece of art. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.